The Best of Jamaica 2020 Fort Lauderdale results show. We asked and you responded, so here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in Fort Lauderdale for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicel International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicel International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicel International app or visit digicelinternational.com.
We are now in the Fort Lauderdale results.
And
Now-
this is in the same South region, right?
Right, we are
Okay,
still
got
in the
you,
South
got you.
USA region. I'm going to give you the North region.
Okay, good.
But I'm very happy to be reading the results of the South USA region. So we asked, what is the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery in Fort Lauderdale? I mean, stand up for this, because this is true. Me love my belly, so me can attest to this.
Yes.
Taste Right. Congratulations.
Yes. I'm with that too.
Let me tell you something. Taste Right.
It's
you know, let me not
the
talk.
nearest thing to taste is, right?
Listen to me. White nice or spell nice, Taste Right.
Yes.
me tell you.
Aja and company can't, so we never give a big up, right? Yeah,
No,
man.
Taste Right. And you can go there anytime and get a nice, hot, warm patty.
Yes.
So shout out to Taste Right. We're going to move on to the other section. What is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? Let me fix my jacket. Big up to Kuya. Broward Meat and Fish Grocery. Congratulations to you. We're going to move on to the other category. What is the best local Jamaican restaurant? And I feel like Luke is going to agree with this one because Luke been calling them names since the show started.
Oh, Lord, I true that.
Talk truth, them get free food.
Oh, Jesus. No. But every now and then we get a little bit extra.
Shout out and congratulations to the Dutch Pots.
Yes.
Them food nice.
Miss Cherry, big up to you again. Big up to you.
Yeah, the food nice. Big up to Dutch Pots. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. The Jamaican Caribbean annual event you missed the most attending due to COVID-19. The Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival. I can agree
Awesome.
to that. Like, it is one of those events you look forward to. And the fact that it's not here, you see when November come, COVID-19 did really lick me in my back.
Just let's call it what it is. It's the premiere event.
No, it's nice.
It's nice.
It's nice.
It's the premiere event.
It's nice.
Yeah.
God. Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here, keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.